Welcome back to Make Rich Money channel, where we empower you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can change your life. 9 ways to achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your financial game, these strategies will pave the way to financial independence. So let's get started. Number 1, eliminate debt. Debt can be a major roadblock to financial freedom. It's like carrying around a heavy burden that limits your financial flexibility. To achieve true financial freedom, it's crucial to tackle your debts strategically. First, create a detailed inventory of all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and mortgages. Then, prioritize them based on interest rates. High-interest debts should be your primary focus. Consider debt consolidation options to lower interest rates if possible. Next, adopt a disciplined approach to debt repayment. Allocate a significant portion of your income to paying down debts while making minimum payments on the rest. This avalanche method can help you reduce the total interest paid over time. Moreover, seek additional sources of income to accelerate debt repayment. Side gigs or freelancing can provide extra funds for this purpose. And always remember, the satisfaction of becoming debt-free is a significant milestone on your path to financial freedom. Number 2, save and invest windfalls. Windfalls, whether they come from unexpected bonuses, tax refunds, or other sources, offer a unique opportunity to boost your financial journey. While it might be tempting to treat yourself, the key to financial freedom lies in making these windfalls work for you. Consider dividing windfalls into 3 categories: saving, investing, and rewarding yourself. Start by allocating a portion, perhaps 50%, directly into your savings or emergency fund. This ensures you're building a financial safety net. Next, invest another portion into long-term investments like stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts. Over time, this can multiply your windfall and contribute significantly to your financial goals. Finally, feel free to enjoy the remaining portion as a reward. This balanced approach allows you to both celebrate your achievements and secure your financial future. Remember, the more disciplined you are with windfalls, the closer you get to financial freedom. Number 3, automate your finances. Automating your finances is like having a personal financial assistant working tirelessly for you. It offers incredible benefits on your path to financial freedom. Start by setting up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. This not only saves you time but also ensures your financial obligations are met promptly. Additionally, automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment portfolio on your payday. This pay-yourself-first mentality ensures you're consistently saving and investing, regardless of other financial distractions. By automating your finances, you're building good financial habits and creating a reliable system that steadily propels you towards your financial goals. It's a simple yet powerful step that can make a significant difference in achieving financial freedom. Number 4, start a side business. Starting a side business can be a game changer on your journey to financial freedom. It's not just about earning extra income. It's about leveraging your passions and skills to create a sustainable source of revenue. First, identify your strengths and interests. What do you love doing in your free time? Can you turn your hobbies or expertise into a service or product that others would pay for? Starting small, like offering freelance services or selling handmade crafts online, can be an excellent way to dip your toes into entrepreneurship. A side business not only provides additional income but also tax advantages and the potential for significant growth. With dedication and smart management, it can eventually become a full-time endeavor, opening doors to even greater financial freedom. So embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, and who knows where it might lead you on your financial journey. Number 5, create passive income streams. Passive income streams are the financial engines that can propel you towards financial freedom without chaining you to a desk. They're the embodiment of the make money while you sleep concept. Let's delve deeper into this key aspect. Investing in rental properties, for example, can generate a consistent monthly income as tenants pay rent. This income can cover your mortgage, property management fees, and even leave you with a surplus. It's a tangible asset that appreciates over time, further increasing your wealth. Dividend stocks are another powerful passive income source. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, you receive regular payouts without having to actively trade or manage the investments daily. These dividends can be reinvested or used to cover living expenses. Building passive income streams takes time and initial effort, But once established, they create a sense of financial security and flexibility. They're the secret sauce that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Number 6. Focus on long-term goals. In the pursuit of financial freedom, it's vital to maintain a long-term perspective. The road may have bumps, detours, and occasional setbacks, but your commitment to the bigger picture is what truly matters. Setbacks are natural in any financial journey, but it's how you react to them that counts. Instead of being discouraged, view them as learning opportunities. Adjust your strategy, stay flexible, and keep moving forward. A long-term focus allows you to weather market fluctuations, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses with resilience. By consistently saving, investing, and working towards your goals, you build a financial foundation that grows over time, ensuring a brighter financial future. So remember, financial freedom is not an overnight achievement. It's a marathon. Stay patient, stay determined, and keep your sights firmly set on the horizon of financial independence. Number 7. Protect your assets. As you work diligently towards financial freedom, it's imperative to protect what you've worked so hard to accumulate. This involves securing your assets through various means, including insurance and legal safeguards. First and foremost, consider insurance coverage for your health, home, vehicles, and income. Insurance acts as a safety net, shielding you from unexpected medical bills, property damage, or income loss due to unforeseen circumstances. Moreover, estate planning is crucial to protect your assets for future generations. Creating a will, establishing trusts, and designating beneficiaries ensures that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes. Additionally, stay informed about tax laws and deductions that can help you retain more of your wealth legally. By proactively safeguarding your assets, you not only protect your financial freedom but also provide peace of mind, knowing that your hard-earned assets are secure for the long haul. Number 8. Consider early retirement. Early retirement is a financial milestone that often feels out of reach, but with the right strategies, it can become a reality. It's about gaining the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, or spend more time with loved ones sooner rather than later. To achieve early retirement, you must be diligent in your financial planning. Start by determining your retirement number, the amount of money you need to sustain your desired lifestyle. This figure becomes your target. Next, maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, taking advantage of employer matches and tax advantages. Consider investing in assets with growth potential, such as stocks, to accelerate your wealth accumulation. Additionally, explore other income streams like rental properties or online businesses that can supplement your retirement income. It's also crucial to manage your expenses, embrace frugality, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Early retirement requires discipline, commitment, and a clear plan. It's about balancing the present with the future, giving you the freedom to enjoy life on your terms while securing your financial well-being. Number 9. Leave a legacy. Achieving financial freedom is not just about securing your own future. It's also about leaving a meaningful legacy. Consider the impact you want to make on the world and how your wealth can benefit not only your loved ones but also future generations. Estate planning is a crucial aspect of this process. It involves setting up trusts, wills, and other mechanisms to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. This allows you to provide financial support to your heirs, fund charitable causes you're passionate about, or even establish educational scholarships in your name. By thinking beyond your own lifetime, you can create a lasting impact that extends far beyond your years. Leaving a legacy is not just about the wealth you accumulate, but how you use it to make the world a better place, ensuring that your values and goals continue to shape the future even after you're gone. And there you have it, folks. 9 powerful ways to achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not about doing all of them at once, but taking consistent steps towards your financial goals. So, which strategy resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial empowerment content.